Namaste. Uh, Music is the key. So if you have music, you have everything. Which music you should play, that decides your body. So it is said that Indriyasya manonatha, manonathasya marutah, marutasya layonatha, salayo nadamashrita. Means the all organs are governed by the mind, and your mind is governed by marut, means air. So definitely if the air is controlled, your mind is controlled, and air is controlled by lay, and lay is controlled by nad. So if nad is there, then your whole body, your mind is under control. So here the key is music. Again, music can actually emerges emotions in your body. It can destroy the emotions in your body and brain. Music has a very high effect on secretions, glands, as well as your perception of particular scene in movie. Same scene can be a beautiful candlelight, and same scene can be somebody with candle in hand going on the road during dark night. You can see both scene can be have a different meaning if you have a music proper or improper. So the key takeaway is that you play every day some very good beats music to start your yoga, to start Sukshma Yoga, and you will find you don't have to do yoga. You start the music and you will find slowly your body and mind will be tuned so that you will start your yoga with that music. So key takeaway, key crux of all these things is that to continue everyday yoga, to continue everyday your workout, simply do just play the music. The music should be with proper beats. Music should start with prayer, definitely, and with proper beats. When you go for your meditation or shavasana, you should play a music which is actually a kind of calm and quiet, and it will give pleasure to you. It should not contain any words. The music should be actually instrumental. It should not have too much of beats. It should have beats which are multiples of your heart rate or which are half of your heart rate. The music should have a kind of lay or kind of actually step up gradually rather than lots and lots of beats, very high beats. No. It should actually simulate your heartbeats, multiples of your heartbeats, and not odd to that. That is a key. So selection of music is very important. So with this takeaway, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.